Nearing landfall, Hurricane Ian got very close. It's already a major hurricane. Got very close to becoming a Category 5 with 155-mile-an-hour winds that were being estimated here through some of the satellite measurements. Looks like we're going to see a tropical storm, possibly a Category 1 into areas of central Florida, then weakening to a tropical storm as it exits, it looks like, around northern Brevard to southern Volusia County. The models both agree, and they're basically overlapping each other, aside from some swaying in and along that I-4 line as it moves away from somewhere near Cape Coral, Fort Myers, the Sanibel area as it makes landfall and then continues. Now, with that path, it is going to generate a lot of water coming through, so the potential here into areas of Flagler County to exceed 20 inches of rainfall. We're still looking at, on the plus side, of 15 inches possible into St. Johns County, and then the amounts taper greatly here once you move north of the Florida-Georgia line. Aside from the coastal areas, which will still see the biggest rain impact in southeast Georgia, it's the inland areas that will stay relatively dry, especially with this new radically different path band here that extends now over to the open waters of the Atlantic. And one of the big differences here, the dry air helping to nudge it. And not only that, we're also seeing what will be the weakening effect, and that puts us on the weak side of what's already a weakened storm. The height of it coming through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Wind gusts are still going to exceed that 50 to 60 mile an hour range, keeping us in tropical storm force strength wind gusts through about midday on Thursday before that too starts to wind down, and we'll actually come to an end of the rainfall here as we look ahead to early Friday. I think that 50% will be coming down more into what would be closer to about, say, 30 to 40%, and those numbers will continue to drop. For today, the deteriorating conditions coming in during our dark hours overnight tonight and into the start of our Thursday. Continue to track Ian with our Weather Authority app.